Hello dear crocheters! In this video I want to show you my new toy, which I called Sleeping Horse. But before that I want to ask you to like this video, write something good in the comments and watch this video in full. This really helps in promotion. Thank you very much. The length of the toy is 40 centimeters or 15 inches. I used plush yarn and a 4mm hook. You can use other types of yarn and a hook, only the dimensions of the toy will be different. The feature of this toy is that there is not a single sewn-on part. The pattern of the toy is designed in such a way that all the parts are crocheted or attached during the crocheting process. The legs are attached during the crocheting of the body. The body and head are crocheted as one piece. And the ears are also crocheted into the head during the crocheting process. Therefore, those who don't like sewing will definitely like this toy. You will only need a needle for a small stitching of the chest in the body of the toy, as well as embroidering the closed sleeping eyes. The yarn consumption is quite large, namely 2 skeins of yarn of the main color and 1 skein of yarn of an additional color. But this is not surprising, given the size of the toy. At the moment, the pattern and masterclass for this toy are already available on Etsy, and very soon I will publish the first part of the video tutorial. There will be 5 parts in this masterclass. I spent a long time coming up with the pattern for the toy, and it seems to me that I managed to achieve simply incredible beautiful shapes. For example, what this butt is worth. I'm waiting for your feedback. What do you say about my sleeping horse? Will you crochet such a miracle with me? I also draw your attention to the fact that there will be important news soon. So subscribe to the channel so as not to miss anything. Apply for sponsorship. I have 3 levels of sponsorship, and I am grateful to everyone who supports my creation in this way. And I will make another little intrigue. In parallel with the publication of parts of the video tutorial on YouTube for this sleeping horse, I am already working on a new toy, which I am sure you will definitely like. See you soon, and thank you for crocheting with me.